So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Thursday, the 22nd of February. Now, let's just have a look at what happened to prices and where they may likely go. So previously we saw price come up towards this 1360, had strong sell side continuation, bring us down beneath this 1328. So from this 1328, what we have seen is this very large candle, likely news related. Candle spiked into an area of confluence of the 200 and 400 period moving average, slightly above this horizontal level of 34.51. We have seen a sell side momentum come back into the market, bringing us in alignment with the most recent trend here on the XAUUSD. And what we have seen is further sell side momentum take us down towards this 1324. So from where we are at present, we do appear to be forming a bit of a base, but we might retest 1328, but ultimately I'm looking for price head down towards this very major level of 1320. From 1320 we might see the buy side momentum come back into the market for me up towards that 1328, but ultimately be looking for price head up towards that 1334.50. In around 1334.50 we do have the 200 and 400 period moving average, which may act as confluence and resistance and could potentially see price head back down towards that 1328 or at a push 1320. If however we are able to successfully break above the 34.50 with that confluence of a 200 and 400 period 200 and 400 period moving averages, we'll be looking for prices to head up towards the 1344.26. Wouldn't anticipate prices moving much beyond say 1344.26 here on Thursday 22nd. If however we aren't able to hold 1320, it's more important to have a look at the levels beneath which may be of importance. So a break from 1320, we'll be looking for price head down towards that 13.58, and a successful break from there, we'll be looking for price to head down towards a very strong major level of 1305. 1320 and 1305 are the very strong major levels where we do have a not so strong level, important but not very strong, in around the 13.58. And with that said, pretty much wraps up the hourly chart analysis. So if we head over to the daily chart, get the scale on here correct. So on this daily chart we are seeing that we came into this area here in around 1360s. We have seen sell side momentum formed a bit of a double top. We've had the follow through, seeing further sell side momentum in the market, so we are looking for prices to head down towards possibly that 13.58 or even 1305, where potentially we have the option where we may, let's just say that a bit more concisely, we may find support and see a move back up towards our 1320, 1334.50, and eventually up to our 1357. Now if we did that, we would be operating within a bit of a trading range here on the XAUUSD, but ultimately it does appear to be the way in which prices are developing at present. So if we do hold lower end of this trading channel that is developing here, we'll look to see if we do see that further upside continuation on the XAUUSD. Overall, the trend previous to our consolidation was to the upside, despite this range here. Previous move was to the upside, so if the more time we spend at the higher end, the upper end of this trading channel, the more likely we are to see a move beyond it and a move to the upside. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.